sweetie. Let's start to save the cute puppies. Alright, choose a puppy you want to help. Kara. Oh no! She fell off! Help her, quickly! Well, use the claw to pick her up. Then, take her to a safe place and put her down, slowly. Hey, you'd better make her dry. The puppy has got out of danger. Well done, Doctor. Doctor, the puppy seems injured. Can you cure the puppy, please? You found the affected part. Let's fix it now. Yes, an affected part has been fixed. Yes, an affected part has been fixed. One last effect. Good job! Hey, look! The puppy has recovered! Amazing! Thank you! Let's give the puppy a shower. Then, please rinse the foam away with the water. Alright, finally your puppy is clean. The puppy seems hungry. Well, let's feed the puppy something good. You can play with the puppy here. Give the toys below to the puppy, then play together. The puppy really likes you. The puppy really likes you. The puppy puppy really likes you. The puppy really likes you. You can drag the decorations onto the puppy. This suit looks just perfect. Wonderful! 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 Mom, take a picture of your puppy outside. Click the camera icon to take a photo. Please preserve this photo. Thank you, doctor. The puppies are doing very well with your help. Want to record the experience for the puppy? Happy to have a try. Alright, choose a puppy you want to help. Huh? What's that? Let's open it. Doctor, the puppy seems injured. Can you cure the puppy, please? You found the affected part. Let's fix it now. Yes, an affected part has been fixed. Yes, an affected part has been fixed. One less affected part left. Please find it out. Hey, look! The puppy has recovered! Amazing! Thank you. Let's give the puppy a shower. Then, please rinse the foam away with the water. Alright, finally your puppy is clean. The puppy seems hungry. Well, let's feed the puppy something good. You can play with the puppy here. The puppy really likes you. 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 You can drag the decorations onto the puppy. The puppy seems satisfied with